So today I'm going to show you how to pop out the main motor bearing. This is the outer bearing that usually goes bad from water intrusion, and you get this growly sound. So I've already set up 2 blocks as I'm going to place this plate, which is reinforced here and reinforced here on these 2 spots, and get it as flat as possible. My main goal is either to pop the bearing and hub out or pop the hub out and then press the bearing out. There's a special tool available. This is from performancelinebearings.com. I had to get this from overseas, but this way you can press in the bearing and press the hub in. That way you don't damage the bearing. Well, this will show you later. So right now this is simple. Once you get to this point by removing this plate, if you don't know how to remove your motor or remove this plate, you shouldn't be doing this. So right now I've got this set up, and all I'm going to do is take a piece of wood and a rubber mallet, and I'm going to set it right on top here, and with a light tap or a couple of taps, it'll pop the hub out. Also put a rag below, that way when the gear falls down, you don't damage the gear. After I pop this, I'm going to stop the video and remove the bearing. I'll stop the video to clean the gears, and then I'll do another video reinstalling the new bearing and putting the hub back together. So next thing is just take a good whack. Boom. Now what you have here is the hub. Now as you can see, this hub bearing didn't stay on it, but if the bearing does stay on it, you want to use a puller like this with 2 jaws. And yes, of course, you have to figure out a way to put something in the middle here so you'll be able to pull the bearing off. Now, since we have this and the bearing is still in here, blue side inside, black side out, I put it back on this tabletop. Oh, by the way, this gear will come out too, this idler gear, which runs off of this. That will pop out too, so put that on the side. Take a plate, put it back on the same spots you had it. Now comes into play this special bearing tool. 2 sides. This side you're going to use when you press in the hub. This side is used to press in the bearing. So right now we're going to press out the bearing with the big side, and the same thing. Couple of taps, it's out, and there's your bad bearing. So the next video I'm going to show you how to install this new bearing with this press, with this hub, and I'm going to clean and re-grease everything, and then I'll show you how to assemble it. So it's a short video. Thank you very much. Any questions, ask below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.